How to do duet on YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do duet on YouTube Shorts. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is just tap on the Shorts tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the short section, then what you can do is just scroll through the shorts, and there you can simply go to the short that you want to do it with. And there, once you've found it, what you can do is just tap on the remix icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on Collab option. And there, you can just tap on Next. And with that, you can choose how you want to appear side by side, or you can either go back and select the green screen style as well. And with that, what you can do is just adjust the camera and the layout, and after that you can simply tap record and react or add your content to that. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on tick or the next once you're done with that. And after that, you can just write captions, add text filters and voice, and you can even add hashtags. And once you're done with that, you can just tap upload shorts, and after that, your do it short will be live. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.